So from this video, we will start our website development course, and let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. Learn how to create your first website. From now on, we will start learning how we can create our very first website. So you do not need to learn how to code from the very beginning. Of course, we will go towards the coding part later, but right now we will start learning how you can create your first website without writing a single line of code. We will use WordPress, then we will go towards the Framer, Webflow, and Wix, or we can even go parallel with them. So, in this video, in this very first video of our course, we will learn what is the difference between a domain and hosting. This is the first part where many people get confused, and they do not know the difference between a domain and hosting. Let's suppose, let me give you a real life example. Let's suppose we want to construct our very first home where we live in future. So to construct a house, we first need to purchase a part of land from the government or from the authorities legally, so we can start constructing our home on it. There is a proper procedure. You will need to purchase a land first. You do not just start building your first property on someone else's land. You will have to register that land with your own name. Then there is a work in progress. There is a construction part where the builders construct a house for you, and then after the construction of your house, you will hang a nameplate right next to the door. So let's get back to our first slide. Now let's take that entire example on our website. So let's suppose this house is our website, and now we want to construct it. So first of all, we need a land. In the term of a website, this land is our hosting. We need to purchase a part on internet where we can host our website. So the land is our hosting. Then the work in progress, the construction part, is our web development, where a developer or you yourself develop a website for you. So this construction part is web development or app development, whatever thing you are doing. Then let's suppose the final result is our house, and the nameplate we hang next to our door is our domain name, from where a visitor will find out about your business or your website. So if we take a recap, this is our website. House is our website. The land from on which we construct our website is our hosting, and the work in progress, the construction part, is our development part, and the nameplate is our domain name. So hope this helps you learn the difference between a domain and hosting. If so, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. And if you are watching it on Facebook or TikTok, make sure to follow their profile. Thank you very much.